Our good friends at Olsa Tools make these wonderful little things. Thin wrenches. I've had mine for a while. It's a bit beat up. They work great. Comes as a cool set. Probably looking at these low torque things going, am I ever going to use that? Let me show you. Doing brakes on this little B200. And it's got this style of caliper. These are common on other ones as well, where the nut threads into the slider and you got to hold that somehow. Look at how nice that fits. Boop. Like that. This is what happens if you don't hold it, right? Can't see what I'm doing. See? Bolt turns and that nut turns. I can't. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Like so. They also work really well on the sway bar end links to hold that half a flat sometimes.